welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, guys. This time it's the number 117. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like dollhouses, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time for an up close look at the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 117, and down below we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. Here it talks about a bakery. Up at the top it says cakes, sweets, and marmalades. And you can see the little shop there. Here you can see a bit of a bigger picture of the full thing. And down below, as always, it points you out piece by piece all of the different parts which are numbered up above. And guys, I wanted to tell you that we are coming up very close on the end of this collection. I can hardly believe it. There's only 3 left for what I know of, and then we'll be able to start making the dollhouse. But well, over here it shows you how to prepare the 3 carpets which we got, which I will show you in just a bit. It shows you how to prepare them for the house. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once we have the entire collection unboxed, I will be walking you through how to do each one of these little projects, and we will be building the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified, because soon we are going to be finishing this collection and you won't want to miss any of the videos that come later of us building the dollhouse. But well, also guys, if you like this video, if you look forward to building the dollhouse here with us, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, tell me what you guys think about this number. Tell me down in the comments below. For me, it's a bit hard to believe that soon we will be finishing up with this collection and we will start building it. I'm pretty excited about that. But well, now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so it's time to open up our new carpets for the house. There we go. Alright, so first up we have just a white one. And then we have this with some ladies in a garden. And then we have this really pretty blue carpet. I really like this one. You guys tell me, which one do you like the best? Do you like the garden one, the plain white one, or do you like this blue one the best? Tell me down in the comments below. I really like the blue one. This one is kind of cool. This, I guess it would be useful in the kitchen, so you don't get anything nice too dirty, right? But I really like the blue one the best, I think. But you guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.